Spongebob Squarepants, Dancing with the Star.
Pearl, my girl, what are you watching?
Mr. Krabs asked.
You have not left the couch for 2 whole hours.
Oh, Daddy, it's the finals of the Megawatts dance contest, Pearl said. Everyone is watching to see who will win the trophy. Mr. Krabs peered at the TV.
Why, that's Tom Sturgeon. He was my best buddy way back when. Who knows, he would end up as the host of this show.
Daddy, I can't believe you know Tom Sturgeon, Pearl squealed. Do you think you can get him to visit? All my friends will think you are so cool. Mr. Krabs thought for a moment.
Why, that's a great idea, Pearl, he said. Maybe he can even host a dance contest at the Krusty Krab. If people are as crazy about dancing as you say, we can make a little money here.
The next day, Mr. Krabs told Squidward and Spongebob.
We are going to have a dance contest at the Krusty Krab. My old friend Tom Sturgeon will be here to host it, and we are going to have a lot of customers.
Can we be in the contest too? Spongebob asked.
Well, as long as you make sure the customers are happy, I do not see why not, Mr. Krabs said.
Oh, Squidward, isn't this exciting? I am going to practice my best moves, Spongebob said.
Save yourself the trouble, Spongebob, Squidward said. I am going to win this contest hands down. Oh, I mean feet down.
Spongebob and Squidward put up flyers all over Bikini Bottom. Soon, everyone was talking about the dance contest. Sandy was sure her Texas two-step would win her the trophy.
I will wow everyone with my cha-cha-cha,
said Larry the Lobster. Spongebob found Patrick staring at a flyer. Are you going to enter the contest? Spongebob asked.
I am not sure, Spongebob,
said Patrick.
I mean, I would like to. I have always dreamed of becoming a dancing star, but...
Patrick looked so sad that Spongebob decided to help him. I had no idea you loved to dance, Spongebob said. I was going to enter, but I would rather help you win it.
Are you sure, SpongeBob?
Patrick asked. Of course, said SpongeBob. You are my best buddy. Now show me what you can do. At SpongeBob's house, SpongeBob turned on the music. Patrick started to dance. Or rather, he twisted and flopped on his belly and even stood on his head. Patrick, what are you doing? SpongeBob asked.
I am dancing,
Patrick said. I am not sure you can call that dancing, said SpongeBob.
But these are my best moves,
said Patrick. I have an idea, SpongeBob said. SpongeBob taught Patrick a few other moves. Soon Patrick was ready. The Krusty Krab was filled with people on the day of the contest.
Greetings, everyone,
Tom said.
Welcome to the Krusty Krab's Love to Dance contest. Our judges today are Len Dory, Bruno Trout, and Pearl Krabs. Now let's see who has the best moves in Bikini Bottom.
Squidward called his dance pure elegance. He leaped and stood on his toes. He started to twirl around and around and around. Suddenly, he was all tangled up. Everyone clapped along as Sandy did the Texas two-step. Mrs. Puff danced the Charleston. Larry muttered,
1, 2, cha-cha-cha,
as he danced. Even Plankton did the jitterbug with his wife Karen. Finally, it was Patrick's turn. He was nervous until SpongeBob gave him the thumbs up sign. Then the music started, and Patrick was ready. Patrick began to moonwalk. Then he did a backflip and landed with a split. The crowd went wild. Patrick danced smoothly across the floor. And in time to the music.
Now that's dancing,
Tom Sturgeon said, and the judges agreed. Look at that, Patrick, you are a dancing star, said SpongeBob. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more SpongeBob stories, check out my SpongeBob Squarepants playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.